Afternoon everybody, I hope you're all enjoying the glorious sunshine. I have got a treat for you here today. As you can see, this static home is already sited with a full wraparound decking, the gorgeous view of our development in Chapel St Leonard's on a sunny pitch. So you will get the sun on here from around 11 o'clock all the way until it goes down, which is fabulous. You can get a lovely tan on the front there. So on into the caravan. This one is a Atlas image. Got the beautiful skylight in the roof, 5-ring hob, integrated microwave, and then your fridge and freezer there as well. Lots and lots of space in the lounge area. Go through, we have a little bit of seat in there so you can take off your shoes and hang your coats. Shower room, again with the skylight, which actually joins on to the twin bedroom. So you do have the full size 3-foot singles in here and still enough room to manoeuvre around to get changed. This one is currently priced at £39,995 and it does also come with this year's site fees free. It's an absolute steal, guys, and I'm pretty sure the first people to see it will buy it. It's a 2016 model, however it's a credit to the previous owners as it's immaculate. You wouldn't even know it had been used. It's like brand new. Currently sited on a beautiful plot on Golden Anchor Holiday Park in Chapel St Leonard's. If you would like to view this holiday home, please call Georgie on 0787 49 10033. I'll be really happy to help. If this one isn't for you, I may have one that is. Please like and subscribe to my page and share with your friends and family. Thank you.